Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to be looking at the Sea Ray 250 SLX. As you can see, this is a black boat with a red stripe. It has a windlass anchor, which makes anchoring absolutely amazing. Inside the 250 SLX, there's an automatic swim platform here where you can sit, scoop it out, and sit down below the water line, enjoy a drink. On the back here, we have two Rockford Fosgate speakers, as well as a nice sun pad, an area to just sit back and relax. Going inside, we have the Infinity woven flooring, which is much better than carpet. It's quick, easy drying, easy to snap out if you need to clean it. Here in the bow, you have a wraparound seating. There's also two speakers in the bow, as well as cup holders and armrests. Our SLX models are our most comfortable and best upholstery. Here in the cockpit, our seat, co-captain seat, has a flip-up bolster. The seat also can fold back, so if somebody's tubing, skiing, and you want to sit back and watch the show, you can sit back and do that. The upholstery is very nice. It's white in color. On the side here behind the helm, we have a spot for a cooler. And again, great upholstery inside this boat. Here at the helm, you'll see a very comfortable seat. It does have a flip-up bolster, of course cup holders. It's powered by Rockford Fosgate. It's all Bluetooth capable. There's also aux cord, USB, and 12-volt chargers in here as well. In the 25-foot boat, it also comes with a pump-out head. Nice SeaDeck flooring in there. Pretty big head for pretty much anybody to get in and out of. Again, this gorgeous boat is the 250 SLX model. And my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant again with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and see this SLX or one of our other great boats that we have in stock.